OrCAD X is more than a layout tool. Starting in the 24.1 release, it is also an analysis solution. Integrated analysis workflows let you run impedance and coupling analysis on your design. Impedance shows your single-ended and differential impedance values for all nets and segments in the design, with a graphical overlay and tabs showing explicit impedance value. Coupling analysis shows you all the nets that can generate crosstalk due to their coupling. This also is shown in a graphical overlay in detailed tables and graphs indicating the amount of coupling and the coupling distance. Both tables allow you to cross-probe to the design to find and fix the problem. OrCAD X also lets you extract and model any net or differential pair into Topology Explorer, giving you the ability to model different interconnect. You can then simulate the topology and then apply constraints to enforce the ideal interconnect. With OrCAD X, you have confidence your product is going to work.